Understanding, require, and load, essential phrases in English. Hello everyone, today we're going to explore two commonly used English phrases, require and load. Understanding these phrases is crucial for mastering everyday English communication. Let's dive in and uncover the meanings and uses of these words. Require is a verb that implies the need or necessity of something. It's often used in situations where something is essential or mandatory. For example, this recipe requires 4 eggs. The job requires fluency in English. In these sentences, require indicates that something is necessary to complete a task or meet a condition. Require can be used in different contexts. 1. Formal requests. The form requires your signature. 2. Regulations and rules. This procedure requires approval from the manager. 3. Personal needs. Learning a new language requires patience and practice. Moving on to load, which is primarily used as both a noun and a verb. As a verb, it means to put a large amount of something onto or into something else. As a noun, it refers to the amount of something that is being carried or can be carried. As a verb, please load the dishwasher. He loaded his car with groceries. As a noun, the truck carried a heavy load of bricks. This washing machine can handle a large load. Load can be used in various situations. 1. Technology. The website takes time to load. 2. Physical work. He's loading the cargo onto the ship. 3. Emotional burden. She carries a heavy load of responsibility. I hope this video clarifies the meanings and uses of require and load. Remember, mastering these phrases will enhance your English communication skills significantly. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. See you in the next video.